Yeah, it should be pretty active, Chris, for the next couple of hours at least. We do have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings, basically for the same storm. There's just two of them because it crosses county lines. So let's take a look here at this storm. This is the one in question right now. This is in effect until 5:45 for Hamilton County, till 6 o'clock for Mills County here. This storm is moving generally east, kind of southeast as well, though. That's what's allowed it to miss Hamilton, kind of moving down towards Evant right now as we speak. So let's take a look inside. You can see 0.6 of an inch to an inch in the hail size right now. That has gone down. Again, severe threshold is 1-inch hail. This storm has a history of producing 2-inch hail at times and those 60-mile-per-hour winds. So a powerful storm right now. Does appear to have weakened over the last scan, but again, these storms have a tendency to kind of cycle down and then cycle back up. So we're going to keep watching it here as it continues to move off to the east-southeast. Moving towards Aleman, towards Whiteway, Jonesboro, Ater, and Turnersville here over the next about hour and a half or so as it continues east-southeast across the area. So again, watch out if you're in any of these locations. Indoors is the place to be because, of course, large hail and gusty winds are not good for anybody. So keep that in mind. So that's what's happening right now. Put it in motion. You can kind of see where it's going. It's actually making a little bit of an alteration in course here. And so that's something we're going to have to keep track of too, because anytime these storms make a right turn on us, that is an indication they could get even stronger as well. So we'll keep an eye on that. All of this out, of course, ahead of that cold front we've been watching, and see the winds moving in from the north behind it. Take a look at the temperature differences. So when we talk about severe weather, we talk about heat. Well, out ahead of the cold front in San Saba right now, it's 93 degrees, 86 in Waco, 83 right now in Temple, down from a high of about 87 today. Behind the front, we're in the 70s. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit cooler over the next couple of days, but we got to get this cold front through the area first. And again, severe storms possible primarily in our western counties here over the next couple of hours before we get into the nighttime hours. Of course, we lose that heat. We lose a lot of the instability. The storms really diminish in strength, and then everything should be done here by about 11 o'clock or so as the cold front continues to push across the area. But over that time frame, again, remember we're in that level 2 slight risk for severe weather, with those main risks again still being the hail and the gusty winds, not really a tornado setup, and we're not really looking for a whole lot in the way of rainfall. Different story for Saturday. Take a look at Saturday. Waves of rain expected here throughout the afternoon, evening hours on Saturday. And with that, we could see up to 2 inches of rain in some locations. In fact, take a look at our rainfall forecast, and you can see as we head towards Friday, only expecting about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. But on Saturday, some of these numbers balloon up to about 3 inches. So yeah, 1.5 inches to 2 inches possible as we head through the day on Saturday. So keep that in mind. It will be a washout probably in some locations. And again, we could see some of that minor street flooding throughout the day as well. Rest of your 7-day forecast looks like this. I told you get cooler behind the front, didn't I? How about 74 for tomorrow, 72 Saturday, 60s on Sunday. Those overnight lows dropping into the 50s. So again, keep in mind it's going to be quite a bit cooler as we end the weekend, start next week. And then as we move through the middle of next week, we're going to start warming back up, and our next chance for showers and thunderstorms moves back in as well.
Matt, are you telling me I'm going to be mowing a wet lawn this weekend?
Probably.
Okay. I'll have to work it out. Thank you.